Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to grease a tensioner pulley. And this can save you some money if you have a squeaky tensioner. So now you just first need to remove the plastic cap that is covering the bearings. Now there is a plastic gasket that is covering the bearings. You just need to be careful not to destroy it because it is very delicate. So here am I moving it. Now you can see the bearings, they are extremely dry. Absolutely no grease inside of these bearings, as you can see. And this is what causes a squeak, because as it rotates, there's no lubrication to prevent the squeakiness that you hear in your vehicle. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be packing it with some grease to lubricate these bearings. So here you see me packing it with some grease. Now you can use a painter's brush, like a small brush, but I'm too lazy to find one, so I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver here to just put the grease on the bearings. So I'm trying to pack it in as possible, but try not to put too much grease inside of it because you won't be able to close it at the end. So I'm just using my finger now to kind of get the grease, excess grease inside of those bearings, cleaning up the area a bit, excess grease that is on the top there, and then I replace the plastic cap over it. You should hear a click sound just to ensure that it's properly fit in place, and that's basically it. So this can save you a few bucks, you know, well, if you want to do a little do-it-yourself in terms of stopping that squeaking sound in your vehicle. I'm just cleaning up the area, then I'm gonna replace that plastic cap and we're finished. Alright guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.